Time for a Rambler Reno update. Stay tuned. Alright, it's me, Ashley with Keller Williams in Everett, okay? So if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. Please like the video. What am I going to talk about today? So I'm going to talk a little bit about our renovation of our 1950s Rambler. So I'm going to just give you kind of a quick update. I'm going to show you some photos of some things, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reserve the reveal for the space until we've completed the kitchen. Okay, so we've started the kitchen work, and it would be great to just kind of show everything, and we'll flow through, and then I'll make a really nice video so you can see what the laundry area looks like now, which is completed. So I'll put these photos down at the end, and you can have a look. And basically what happened, gosh, and it's a real shame that I didn't have any video, but you know, it's not really like reality TV. I mean, it was so crazy. Basically what happened is on the day that we completed the laundry space, we thought we'd go in and do some laundry. I mean, you know, of course, we hadn't had laundry or hot water for weeks, okay? So we threw in a load of laundry, and when the water started draining out of the laundry, you know, we just thought everything was fine. And I walked into the laundry space, and I looked in the bathroom, and there was like a little bit of water leaking, and I was like, oh, I wonder where that's coming from. And so Hillary went to go and investigate it further, and it turned out that the water, we opened the toilet, because she was like, I can't tell where it's coming from, so we opened the toilet, and the whole entire toilet was completely filled up to the brim, okay? I was like, oh my God. So we didn't know what was going on, okay? I mean, somehow there were bubbles in it, so somehow the water that was draining out of the washing machine was getting into the toilet, okay? Now, I mean, I'm not a plumber, I didn't put this whole entire thing together, and so we were just like, oh my gosh, this is an emergency. And it was so crazy. I mean, basically, when we finally discovered it was coming from the toilet, it like really started draining, and then it like overflowed out of the toilet and started just dumping all over the floors. We had a heat vent put in, so it was dumping into that heat vent and running across into the ductwork, and it was just water everywhere. I mean, it was insane, okay? And, you know, the really interesting thing is you know what we were washing at the time? We were washing the towels. So that means that we had to grab everything that could absorb any water, towels, any remaining towels. We had some sheets, we had like blankets, and we were just like threw it all in the room. So you'll see a picture of at the end of like the huge pile of stuff. I mean, I think we had like 4 big old bags full of laundry after. And I mean, it was just insane, okay? Because we had finished all the work, and I mean, literally, it was ready to go, okay? And so let's see. Maybe you're wondering what happened. Like, why would that happen? Okay, so, you know, I called the plumbing company that night, and it was like 9 p.m. And, you know, I'm like sitting here panicking and freaking out. And so I go online and I look around in Google, and it said that sometimes this can happen if, like, for example, the plumbing is not vented properly or whatever. And I was like, man, the plumbing's not vented properly. Like, they're gonna have to take the whole wall down. This is crazy, right? Well, we got the plumber out, and the plumber was very gracious, I will say that, and so was the actual plumbing company, because I mean, obviously this water problem caused some damage in our brand new, completely renovated space. And it turned out that when the plumber had put the lines under test conditions so that the inspector could inspect it, the excuse me, testing equipment was not removed. Okay. Yes, the testing equipment was not removed. That means that there was like a bulb in the line that drained, that's part of the house, the new bathroom and laundry area and all that stuff, and the utility sink, that drained that part so that the water could not go into the main line to drain to to the sewer. Okay, so that happened. But it's resolved. So, I mean, it did take, we had to get a water remediation company out here. They, you know, got underneath the house. They were able to grab that piece of ductwork, replace it. And really, you know, we were thinking the worst. We were thinking, oh my gosh, we're going to have to tear everything out again. I mean, it was just crazy. But we ended up getting really lucky. So we were very, very happy. Anyway, so that's it. That's the whole entire story, basically. So all of it was resolved, and we're back on the road. We're in good shape. So what we have going on now is we're doing the kitchen, and you've seen videos of that kind of going on. Kitchen's work is happening. What I'll do is I'll do everything all together so you can kind of see the final reveal of everything, and I will also put at the end of this video a couple of little pictures of some of the in-between stages right before it was finished. And otherwise, it's to be continued. So, what else is there? Please like the video. Check out my Facebook page, follow me on Facebook, and please see my website, ashleybolden.com, and I will see you again soon, YouTube.